iqembu le-BMK YouTube Production sikubingelele sikwamukele kusiqephu sanamhlanje. Igama lami nguDanke ngwakamthembu. Abantu baloko bethi give me Zungu lalela namhlanje kuphathele uManzini la uZungu uqobo lwakhe niyamazi ngengoma zakhe ezinhle kangamhlonishwa siyakubingelela mfundisi.
Ngiyabingelela mfethu njani siyabingelela babukele emakhaya egameni likaJesu Kristu amen.
Siyathokoza kakhulu mfundisi ukuthi sibe nawe sukuna namhlanje. Mfundisi siyazi ukuthi ungomunye wabaculi asebesebenze kakhulu kwindima. Sakubona manje ula eMlazi. Ngabe abantu bala eMlazi ububaphathele sibonile stage ukuthi ubanyakazi.
Mfowethu kuyintokozo kakhulu kuba la namhlanje. Ngicabanga ukuthi ikhathe eziningi mesithola ithuba hleze siba semadolobheni kukancane la sibuyela khona emalokishini la khona ekuwukuthi into esiyona mina ngikhulele ngowasenanda into esiyona bayibonile ikhula yakhuliswa ilokishi yaseyamkelwa idolobha so isikhathi esiningi sesiyathanda ukubaleka so I was very happy uma ngabe sithola leli thuba lokuthi sizokwazi ukuthi size eMlazi and bengazi futhi ukuthi the support izoba khona abantu bajabulile abantu bayimisele abantu bayawuthanda umculo bayakhombisa ubona ngoba bakwazile ukuphuma bezela namhlanje.
Manzini ngijabule kakhulu uma ngibona ubiza abantu ukuthi ake nizoziveza nje ukuthi ninayo umyalezo nje awudlulisa kuma artists asakhulu kakhulukazi especially lawo egospel kakhulukazi.
Mfethu yabona ukuthi akulula manje especially manje endimeni yezomculo ake angakhulumi ngegospel kuphela angikhulume ngomculo as whole njengamanje we uzokhumula sisuka kwi-COVID-19 ngesikubalekele lokho because it affected the industry a lot. Emva kwalokho njengamanje kwathiwa ama-CDs awasekho. Emva kwalokho njengamanje mobona into edominate kakhulu kunento ebizwa nge-AI music where now you're not competing with one another ngokwama talent abo you are actually competing with the machine itself so abayibambe iqini ngoba lesi sikhathi sizo challenge the industry as whole because akuyona gospel kuphela but it's going to affect nama upcoming artists because how can you compete with umshini uyabo umshini okwazi ukwenza yonke into umshini okwazi ukureacha every note lela angalireacha but what I'm saying in this challenging time uNkulunkulu can raise you uNkulunkulu can do something ngetalente lakho remember uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ekunikeza italente uthi lo kuvulela eminyango italente lukhiye wokuvula iminyango la ubungeke ukwazi ukuthi ungene khona but ngetalente lakho uyakwazi ukungena so ufakazi balokho uNkulunkulu usivulela iminyango eminingi nebesingabelieve ukuthi kunabantu esoke sihlangane nabo but what keep you ngaphakathi kwaleyo minyango is your character ukuthi ukhuliswe kanjani so siyazi ukuthi thina nje wasi grounded emndenini ekhuliswe ngokuthi siyazana noNkulunkulu sikhula kuleyo environment ukuthi siyakwazi italent lethu uma selivulile siphinde futhi sikwazi ukuyicreate room yokuhlala ngaphakathi la kuvule khona italent so I would say to the upcoming artists I know ukuthi kunalentshisekelo but I want to leave you with the word where kululekwa uTimotheo kuthi waTimotheo uzithobe phansi kwesandla sikaNkulunkulu esinamandla yena uzokuphakamisa ngesikhathi esifaneleyo so in a right time God will lift you up uNkulunkulu uzokwenza igama lakho libe likhulu ukwazi ukuthi nawe ube seyindaweni ezinkulu la khona abantu bedumisa khona.
Nhlonishwa ekugcina nje sengivala ungomunye wobaba abasebenza kakhulu nendodana isikhathi samanje imvamiso yobaba balahla amadodana amazwi nje ungawadlulisa ikakhulukazi kuyindodana elahlwe ubaba ungathi nje kuyo ukuyishiya nomyalezo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into yethu yalahleka ngesikhathi kuthiwa umfundisi akamzali umfundisi angazi yayiqhamukapi because it is our responsibilities as obaba especially uma ngabe sina madodana ukumodela lento esifuna babe yona so ungeke uzuhambisa kwenkalankala kodwa ulindele ukuthi ingane ihambise kweqoqa uma ngabe uzohamba ugwegwe nengane izogwegwa so thina sashift ama responsibilities ekufuze ngabe they are taking care of their kids they are teaching them the right ways so kulesikhathi njengamanje I would say to someone who never got a chance yokuthi akhuliswe baba wakhe uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphothi kukhona ikhathi khona izinto esingayigceka ukuthi azenzakalanga kanti zaba isibusiso for what we are mina baningi abantu that refuse to help me, but I'm happy that I'm able to be where I am namhlanje. What I'm teaching my son is that, my son, you are able to be on your own. I was able to come from the root ground ngaze ngafika la ngikhona ngidabalasela ngamandla ami. So at least wena ngikhona njengobaba ukubamba isandla and put you in a level. What I wish for my son is to be bigger, double or 10 times than me. That's why wherever I go, ngifike ngivula umnyango bese ngithi ngena ngaphakathi kuqala ngim-introduce to the next level, because fanele sibulale le generation ukuthi umuntu omnyama kufanele uma ngabe ephumelela athathe 10 step backs ahamba aqala yolungisa ekhaya. Sekufanele senze njengebala elimhlophe elithi uma ngabe ngiyilawyer nomntwana uma ngaba yilawyer. So angiyazi le yokuthi sibalekela kanjani njengento emnyama. So sileyo generation efuna ukubreaka that curse angazi yadaloba yokuthi I can fanele njalo sibuyele kuze kubizwe kuthiwa i-black tax. Asibulaleni manje i-black tax. Ake kuthi abantwana bethu sibakhela i-foundation abazofike bame pay kwayo ukuze nesizukulwane esilandelayo sizoba bigger, because they don't have to start back baqale phansi bayolungisa into ekufuze bayalungiswa abazali kodwa bangakwazi ukuyilungisa. Those are the words engawasho. It might not make sense to someone njengamanje, but what I'm saying it's what we are fixing, and I'm sure ukuthi uyawathatha amazwi ukuthi uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphutha. For the fact that you are still alive kodwa awazange uhlangana nobaba, awazange ukukholiswa abazali, but because you are still alive uNkulunkulu khona isikhathi akufundisa khona ukuthi uthembele kuyena yedwa.
Manzini siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho mhlonishwa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti wami.
Lokho ubaba uZungu ebekunikeza amazwi, uyazwela amazwi angaka ikakhulukazi njengoba yena ekwazi ukuqeqesha insizwa yakhe ukuthi ibe nekusasa eliqhakazile.